Switching to solar energy is a big decision, and choosing the right solar company is one of the most important choices of the process. It ensures a smooth and successful installation, as well as so much of your solar experience. But with so many options available, it can be overwhelming to make the best choice. This video is here to give you the top 10 questions you should be asking potential companies to ensure that you are working with a reliable and experienced solar company. Here at The Energy Professor, we want to give you the information that you need to not only save money on your energy bill, but to also become more energy efficient. We hope that you find this video helpful, and be sure to check out our solar tool in the description below to calculate how much you could be saving at your address by switching to solar panels. All you need to do is go to theenergyprofessor.com, enter your home or business address, select your property type, then select your estimated average monthly electric bill, and that's it. Our tools will help you calculate upfront cost after incentives, 20-year tax benefits, tax incentives, the total 20-year savings, and how many years it will take you to get paid back from installing your system. You will also be able to see the savings no matter if you're looking to buy, lease, or loan your solar panels. You can get all of this plus a free quote over on theenergyprofessor.com. One of the first things to check is whether the solar company is properly licensed and insured. A licensed contractor ensures that they adhere to local building codes and regulations, while the insurance protects you in case of any accidents or damages during the installation process. Always ask for proof of both before proceeding. Number 2. What's your experience with solar installations? Experience matters when it comes to solar installations. A company that has been in the business for several years is likely to have a proven track record of successful projects. Ask about their experience with a specific type of system that you need, whether it's residential or commercial, and whether they've worked with your type of roof or property. Number 3. Can you provide references or case studies? Don't hesitate to ask for references or examples of previous installations. Reputable companies should be able to provide testimonials, case studies, or customer referrals. This will give you an idea of the quality of their work and customer satisfaction. Number 4. What solar equipment do you use? Not all solar panels are created equal. Ask about the brands and models of solar panels and inverters that the company uses. Look for well-known and reputable brands that offer warranties and are known for efficiency and durability. Ensure that the company offers high-quality, long-lasting products. You can check out some of our other solar videos here on the Energy Professor YouTube to learn more about solar panels, and be sure to subscribe for more videos coming out soon. Number 5. Do you offer warranties and maintenance? A reliable solar company will offer warranties not only for the panels, but also for the installation. A typical solar panel warranty lasts 20 to 25 years, but installation warranties should cover labor and workmanship for a reasonable period, usually around 5 to 10 years. Also, inquire about ongoing maintenance services and monitoring options to ensure that your system performs optimally over time. Number 6. What financing options are available? Solar installation can be a significant investment, so it's important to ask about available financing options. Many companies offer payment plans, leases, or power purchase agreements, otherwise known as PPAs, which allow you to pay for your system over time. Some may also help you navigate government incentives, rebates, or tax credits to reduce upfront costs. Number 7. What is the timeline for installation? You should always understand the typical timeline for your solar installation. While many companies can promise a quick turnaround time, the process often involves permits, inspections, and sometimes even waiting for approval from local utility companies. Ask for an estimated installation schedule for your system and make sure it aligns with your needs. Number 8. What will my system's performance be like? Ask the company to estimate the performance of the solar system based on your energy usage and local climate. A professional company should be able to provide an analysis that includes expected energy production, savings, and how long it will take for you to get paid back from your system. Number 9. What happens if something goes wrong? Understand the company's process for addressing issues that may arise after installation. Will they provide support if the system malfunctions? What are their response times like for repairs or maintenance? A company that stands behind its work and products will offer good customer support and be willing to fix any issues promptly. And finally, number 10, are you transparent about your costs? It's always important to ensure that the company is transparent about all costs involved in the installation process. The price should include everything from the equipment to labor and all the permits. Be wary of companies that provide vague or hidden cost structures within their process. If you're looking for more ways to increase the energy efficiency and sustainability in your home, be sure to take a look at all the latest renewable energy options in your area. The Energy Professor helps residential and small business owners find qualified energy suppliers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, Maryland, Illinois, and Massachusetts. Thank you so much for watching. Happy savings, and we'll see you in the next video.